Full script with markers. Must be 1,200 plus words. Midnight hook. 3 months ago, Sarah had no idea that AI would change her life forever. 0:30 setup. Sarah was a freelance writer struggling to make ends meet in early 2026. She spent countless hours researching, writing, and editing articles for various clients. Despite her hard work, she barely managed to cover her bills. One day, while scrolling through social media, she stumbled upon a post about AI tools revolutionizing the freelance industry. Intrigued, she decided to dive deeper. 1 o'clock, new development. Sarah started exploring different AI tools, from content generators to productivity assistants. She quickly realized that these tools could save her a significant amount of time. However, she also noticed that many of the so-called
AI experts were sharing generic tips that didn't really help. Determined to find the real secrets, Sarah began experimenting with various AI tools herself. 1:30 emotional stakes. As Sarah delved deeper into the world of AI, she faced numerous challenges. Some tools were too complex to use, while others produced subpar results. There were moments when she felt like giving up, fearing that AI might not be the solution she was hoping for. But Sarah refused to let her dreams slip away. She knew there had to be a way to harness the power of AI for her benefit. 2 o'clock, rising action. After weeks of trial and error, Sarah discovered 7 secret tips and tricks that nobody else seemed to talk about. These hidden gems transformed her workflow and significantly boosted her income. The first tip was using AI for research. Instead of spending hours sifting through information, Sarah learned to use AI-powered search engines that provided accurate and relevant data in minutes. This allowed her to focus more on creating high-quality content. 2:30 new visual. Next, Sarah discovered the power of AI in content optimization. By analyzing her articles with AI tools, she could identify areas for improvement and enhance the overall quality of her writing. This not only impressed her clients, but also led to higher paying gigs. 3 o'clock, surprising fact. But here's where it gets interesting. Sarah found that combining AI with human creativity yielded the best results. While AI could handle the mundane tasks, her unique perspective and storytelling skills added value that no machine could replicate. This synergy between AI and human intelligence became her secret weapon. 3:30 open loop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement these 7 secret tips and tricks in your own work. But first, let's explore the complications Sarah faced along the way. 4 o'clock complications. As Sarah continued to integrate AI into her workflow, she encountered unexpected challenges. One major issue was data privacy. Many AI tools required access to personal information, which raised concerns about security. Sarah had to carefully choose reliable platforms that prioritized user privacy. 4:30 tone change. Another complication was the learning curve. Some AI tools had steep learning curves, making it difficult for beginners to get started. Sarah spent countless hours watching tutorials and reading documentation to master these tools. But the effort paid off in the long run. 5 o'clock, new question. But the real surprise is coming. Sarah also faced skepticism from her peers. Many freelancers dismissed AI as a passing trend, believing that it would never truly replace human skills. Sarah had to prove them wrong by demonstrating the tangible benefits of AI in her work. 5:30 pattern interrupt. Despite the challenges, Sarah persevered. She joined online communities and forums to connect with other AI enthusiasts. Through these networks, she gained valuable insights and support. This collaborative spirit helped her overcome obstacles and continue growing. 6 o'clock, climax. The turning point came when Sarah landed a dream client who specifically requested AI-generated content. This opportunity not only validated her efforts, but also opened doors to new possibilities. Sarah realized that AI wasn't just a tool. It was a game changer that could transform her entire career. 6:30 big reveal. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the 7th secret tip that nobody tells you. It's all about leveraging AI for passive income. By setting up automated systems and workflows, Sarah was able to generate steady income even when she wasn't actively working. This passive income stream gave her financial freedom and peace of mind. 7 o'clock resolution. Thanks to these 7 secret tips and tricks, Sarah's life
changed dramatically. She went from struggling to make ends meet to thriving as a successful freelancer. Her journey proves that AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can unlock endless opportunities. 7:30 subscribe CTA. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Our channel is dedicated to helping you discover the true potential of AI and make money online. 7:50 in subscribe CTA. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI content every single day. The next story is even crazier. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your life with AI. 8 o'clock session time. If you like this, watch our next video on how to build your own AI-powered side hustle. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.